Good day, sir. I hope you are having a wonderful day. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself through this video. It is my pleasure to share a little about myself, my background, the reason why I choose the maritime course, and the goals I hope to achieve in the future. I appreciate your time in watching this presentation, and I hope this introduction helps you to get to know me better as one of your students. Now, I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Lawrence Alcanar Armendi. I am 18 years old and I'm first year Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation, BSMT, student from Section 1A19 at Mariners Canakman. I chose the maritime course because it has always been one of my dreams to become a professional seafarer. I believe this career will help me develop discipline, responsibility, and leadership while allowing me to support my family and building a successful future. I am also excited about the experiences, various cultures, and continue learning through my career. As a student, I always strive to be respectful, hardworking, and willing to learn. I understand that the maritime industry requires dedication, teamwork, and integrity. So I am committed to develop these qualities during my years in college. I can show respect to others in this class by listening attentively whenever my instructor or classmate are speaking, treating everyone with kindness and courtesy, respecting different opinions, and offering help whenever I can. In 5 years, I see myself as a licensed marine officer serving on an international vessel. I hope to have gained valuable experience, strengthened my knowledge and skills, and earned the trust of my fellow crew members through hard work and dedication. I also dream of providing a better life for my family, achieving financial stability, continuing to grow in my profession, and, and eventually becoming a ship captain. Above all, I want to make my parents proud and prove that all the sacrifice I made to reach my goals were worth it. Finally, the legacy I want to leave is to be remembered as a responsible, disciplined, and respectful person who never gave up despite challenge. I hope to inspire others to work hard, stay focused on their dreams, and always do their best in everything they do. Thank you for your time, sir. Have a great day.